At LAPP, we know smooth intralogistics is the backbone of modern manufacturing and trading companies. From goods receipt to storage, transportation, and production, to picking and shipment. All processes must integrate seamlessly and support digital controls, tracking, and documentation. For this to work reliably and persistently, good connections are essential. This is where we come into play. Our connection solutions don't just ensure a continuous power supply and optimal data flow. They're also designed to withstand the heaviest loads to guarantee uninterrupted operations. Take an automated storage and retrieval system as an example. To ensure that their diverse automated functions are executed reliably, we offer complex cable chain systems and flexible cables that don't affect the free movement of the systems, while guaranteeing a reliable energy supply and data communication at the same time. Our products are especially robust and resistant to soiling, moisture, vibrations, and exposure to chemicals. Our solutions are also ideal for modular systems. Take conveyor technology as an example. If you want to change your traffic routing, for example, our flexible connection solutions let you seamlessly integrate new modules in your existing conveyor system, simply with plug and play. Always at the cutting edge of technology and ready for every future challenge to intralogistics that might arise. LAPP, competence that connects.